Hey, welcome back to USA World, where we post the latest news. Today, former President Donald Trump is no stranger to legal battles and controversies. Throughout his presidency and beyond, Trump has faced numerous legal challenges, ranging from allegations of collusion with foreign governments to violation of campaign finance laws. One of the most significant legal battles that Trump has been embroiled in is the question of his immunity from prosecution while in office. This issue came to a head recently, when the Supreme Court agreed to decide whether Trump is immune from state criminal investigations while serving as president. The Supreme Court's decision to take up this case was a pivotal moment in Trump's post-presidency. It signaled that the highest court in the land was prepared to weigh in on a question that has significant implications for the balance of power between the executive branch and the judicial system. For Trump, who has long asserted his immunity from legal scrutiny while in office, the court's decision was both a vindication and a challenge. Trump's initial reaction to the news was predictably combative. In a series of tweets and public statements, Trump lashed out at what he called a witch hunt and a partisan attack on his presidency. He accused the Supreme Court of bias and political motivation, claiming that the justices were trying to undermine his legacy and tarnish his reputation. Trump's supporters rallied behind him, echoing his claims of persecution and injustice. As the case made its way through the legal system, Trump's tone shifted slightly. In interviews and press conferences, he adopted a more measured approach, emphasizing his confidence in the judiciary and the rule of law. Trump's legal team mounted a vigorous defense of his immunity claims, arguing that the president is shielded from state criminal investigations while in office. They cited precedent and legal theory to support their position, portraying Trump as a victim of overreach by political opponents. Despite his legal team's efforts, Trump's immunity claims faced skepticism from some quarters. Legal experts and commentators questioned the validity of Trump's arguments, pointing to the Constitution and historical precedent to argue that no one is above the law, not even the president. They warned that granting Trump immunity would set a dangerous precedent and undermine the principle of equal justice under the law. Throughout the legal proceedings, Trump remained defiant and resolute. He continued to insist on his immunity from prosecution, even as the case garnered national attention and sparked intense debate. Trump's supporters rallied to his defense, organizing protests and social media campaigns to show their solidarity with the former president. Trump, for his part, reveled in the attention and controversy, using the case as a platform to reassert his political relevance and influence.